Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on a brand new product that I didn't initially think I was gonna pick up, but I did a little bit more research on it, read up about what it's supposed to do for the skin, and I thought, you know what, this is a product that everybody really needs in their skincare routine, in their skincare arsenal. It's one of those products that you just need sitting there on a shelf somewhere that you can glance at every now and then and feel good that it's there waiting for you if you need it. And it is the brand new First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair BarriAIR cream. So First Aid Beauty just came out with this cream and they have called it the BarriAIR, emphasis on air, because of the consistency of the cream and what it's meant to do, which is protect your skin's barrier. What is the skin barrier? The skin barrier is the outermost layer of your skin that protects your skin from all the bad, keeps all the bad out and all the good in. It keeps all the moisture in, the lipids in your skin in, and keeps out all the pollution and bacteria and all the nasties that you don't want. I went to First Aid Beauty's website and I read up on the product and how it's supposed to feed your skin barrier with all these good for you ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, ceramides. You know, we've all heard those terms before, and hopefully we all know how great all of those ingredients are for our skin, right? But I thought those ingredients are in so many products, especially moisturizers on the market today. And why do I specifically need something like this that claims to protect my skin barrier any more than any other moisturizer? I have to tell you guys, the only way that you're going to be able to figure that out is going out and trying the product. The very first time I tried it, I was very surprised at how different it is from any other moisturizer that I have ever used. I can tell you that with 100% sincerity and honesty. I can describe it as a cross between probably Drunk Elephant's Lala cream, if you've used that product. Just think of any very thick, potent type of moisturizer that anyone with extremely dry skin would love, plus Vaseline. Drunk Elephant Lala mixed with Vaseline. That's the best way I can think of to describe this. I hope my lights don't wash this out too much. I'm gonna try to get a close-up so you can see what this looks like. Do you see on the rim of this container, it looks like melted marshmallow. I can't think of any other way to describe what it looks like. The consistency is extremely light, very, very light. BarriAIR is the perfect name for it. It is very, very lightweight, but it feels, it has body to it. It doesn't feel like your typical lightweight moisturizer. It feels like it has some substance to it, but a much different substance than your typical very thick, heavy cream. It's so hard, and I hope I'm doing a half decent job trying to explain it to you guys, but it is unlike any other moisturizer I've ever used, and I can see now why First Aid Beauty says that this is a go-to moisturizer for your skin barrier. Your skin barrier so often, more often than we probably realize, does become compromised at times because we're washing too much, we're exfoliating too much, we're using too many harsh products and ingredients on our skin, and your skin barrier over time will become compromised. And a product like this is what you need to bring it back to life. Another great aspect of First Aid Beauty as a whole, as a brand, their prices aren't bad. I've noticed over the years, I've tried a few of their products here and there, and I don't have a heart attack when I go to make a purchase. It's great. This baby right here is 1.5 ounces, which is great. You're getting 1.5 or 44 mils for $30 US or 37 Canadian. That's what I paid, which is not bad. There are so many incredibly expensive moisturizers out there, and they may not even do as great of a job as this little gem. This moisturizer will definitely suit all skin types, from normal to dry to oily to combination. You can use it both AM and PM, which I really like. I know a lot of you out there sometimes aren't too thrilled with companies that come out with moisturizers that do not contain SPF, but I really like the fact that this type of product specifically, because if you do have a compromised skin barrier, you're gonna want to feed it morning and night. So I'm happy that it doesn't contain sunscreen so that you can use it morning and night to then hopefully speed up the process of bringing that life back to your skin barrier. It's also a clean formulation, which is great. It is free from alcohol, artificial colorants, artificial fragrance, lanolin, mineral oil, parabens, petrolatum, phthalates, propylene glycol, sulfates, talc, formaldehydes, oxybenzone, coal tar, hydroquinone, trilocarbon, ethanol, ethyl glycol, denatured alcohol, methanol, and butyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, SD alcohol. None of that is in this product, which I know our skin will thank us for, because if we're trying to repair something, we don't want to put any of these ingredients on our skin that are only going to deteriorate the skin barrier, not build it up. So that's it, guys. That is my hopefully fairly quick review of the brand new First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair BarriAIR Cream. If any of you out there have been searching for a moisturizer that just has that something extra, you know, we all hopefully use moisturizer on a daily basis, and sometimes you're just feeling like you need something more, a moisturizer with that little bit extra that's gonna feed your skin that little bit extra and protect it more, moisturize it more, hydrate it more. If you're looking for that more, that moisturizer with more, this is the one. I really, really love it, and I'm gonna be using it throughout the winter months. Now is definitely the perfect time that First Aid Beauty could have released this, because the harsh, cold winds and snow and craziness that this season brings and can do to your face, it's no joke. And we need to protect our skin barrier, because it's important that we keep all the bad things out and the good things in. Please do give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Hit that notification bell and subscribe for many more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.